Right, I've been rushing around trying to find somewhere to fish. Tried about 10 places to get down. Well, maybe not 10, but it felt like it. Plenty of blood, scratches, give up. Come down to a beach and climbed along the rocks. Don't think I've got long here, so let's chuck it and see. Very shallow to my right. This is I don't know how deep it is yet, but I've moved along left as far as I can to see if I can find a little bit of depth. No idea, but got plenty of structure about. Haven't hit anything depth wise in my first 2 casts. Definitely pushing left towards that structure there. So we're going to cast out right and let it come left. We've got the Dam FZ, whatever it's called. I'll let that go for quite a while. Still no bottom. So working my way down. Water's cleared up very slightly from earlier today. I was about 8-9 miles further north this morning. Moved down a bit. Not got my waders on. I was about to walk a couple of miles or so. Still not found the bottom. It's really pushing hard left. Might need to put some more weight on. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, that's on the bottom. I'm going to fish really hard. I've got literally an hour and I'm going to have to get out of here. Well, that's at a guess, I don't know, so I'm probably going to have to keep checking. So I'm going to fish really hard. Do everything I can think of. There's some gaps between the rocks there I've just noticed, so I'll have another couple of casts across here and then put one in over there. I think seems to be another split in the gully to my right, so let's try that. Still not sure on the depth. What I like about fishing places you've never fished before, especially on when you haven't got much time. You call me that mess about, just fish as hard as you can. It's pretty deep there as well, still not found the bottom there. Interesting, starting to pull right there, so there must be something, some structure under there that's creating that. That's on the deck. Right, let's see what we got here. Little drop it in that gap there. Nice steady retrieve on the damn paddle tail. All sorts of things happening to that in there. Really good movement. Need to go a little bit deeper at the start. I'll let that drop in there. That's the bottom. That's the bottom. Okay, another 2 or 3 in there. Get a little bit further out. Let that drop a bit there. Ooh, on the bottom, a bit much. Really enjoying this. Boom. Wow, just dropped that right on the corner there. It's a good cast actually. Not normally that accurate. Doesn't seem any kelp or anything. Definite bass territory if it was a bit later in the year. Well, in my mind anyway. Went a little bit far right there. Oh yes, and we're into a bass. It's oh wonderful. You know what? That's when hard work pays off. We're into a bass. Not too big. Not too shabby. He's probably about 35. He calmed. Oh, he's off. Calm down, mate. I've got to take a picture of you. Then you can go back. What? I'll tell you what, guys, when you're thinking, oh, I can't be bothered, I can't, it's too much like hard work, go to the mark, find somewhere, fish it, and there's the reward. Absolute little beauty. Come on, son, open your mouth, and you can, oh, you can go back. I think he's going back anyway. Go on, son, he's away. Now let's not let you go over there. Oh, he's a feisty bugger. There he is. Look at him. What a beauty. Away. Yes! Love it. Love it on the lures. So, I'm no expert, but if that is not a lesson of how to come and just go for it, knowing you've got little time, wow, love it. I'll go and get my net now, because I forgot that, I left it over here. Oh, fabulous. Better mark that. Come on, calm down. Calm down. Lovely little spot this. Never fished it, never seen it. 10 minutes graft and a bass. Very small tide rising. Always pull into a gully like that. Right, let's have a big one. Oh, touch the bottom then. Ready to lift the tip. Bloody put my phone down somewhere now, out in my pocket, which is interesting because my pocket has nothing on it and we have another fish on, although I was gonna say it doesn't feel like a bass. He's having a good tug though. Fucking come on, son. It is a bass. Whoa. He knows what he's doing. What a session. Alright, calm down, buddy. A bit come on. In you come, son. Wow. Have I found a little bass haven here? It certainly looks like it. Look at that. He's got to be mid-40s. He's got to be mid-40s. What a beautiful fish. What I love them. I absolutely love bass. It sounds a bit mad, but you know what? Nothing better. Hello, buddy. Let's get you back in. Oh, you've... Okay, mate. You're probably actually... I'm gonna go for 45, you are. You're a good fish, you are. Away you go. Well, didn't see him go, but he's not in the net. Definitely gone. Two bass. I should definitely have to disguise everything. Definitely not the same fish. That was definitely a little bit bigger. Come on, let's go a little bit bigger again. Nah, that's the wrong side of that structure. That's it. Drop down. Getting excited now, a bit leery with my casts. Okay, it seems to have gone quiet, which actually means I've had two casts. I'm gonna have another two here. I'm gonna move. One for Mr. Norton. My camera's on. Let's try dropping it in there now, a bit shorter than that. Drop it in there and come across that way. These sneaky bass, they hide in some funny places, you know, when they're cruising. So I like that, because there, anything getting washed over the top of that, hopefully Mr. Bass will be waiting just the other side to pick anything up. Don't need to be able to cast here to catch bass. Not like this anyway. What's that? 15-foot cast, if that. And them over there, 20. The back up there, I think I'm going to alternate. One over there. I'm going to have to stop in a minute and go and have a look, make sure my access back is okay. Looks like there was only two here and I've caught them both. They've both gone crying to the mummy. Second one was probably was undersized, probably late 30s, 35, 38. Second one was about 45, so we can get one more before I have to leave. I'll be very happy. Right, time to move. This time I'll take my net. I really like this bit here. It's a big bit of structure which I'm now the wrong side of. Yeah, that'll do. and I like it. The movement in the water is fantastic. You probably won't catch it on the film, but it's going this way, that way. It's funneling everywhere. It's lovely, lovely bass water. We hooked into a really big fish. It'll be a bit tricky because there's structure everywhere. I've got a nice tight drag. That 45 never took any, and he felt pretty strong, and he was using the current. Any fish that takes drag, the way I have it set up, is a big fish, or in a very, very strong current. You guys think, drop it in the comments. You've been fishing a mark like this, you've had two in fairly quick succession, 10 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever it was. What do? Do you move? Do you keep going? Do you change the lure? I don't see any point in changing the lure. Lure's obviously working. Or do you think there's any weight in the argument? They're moving by. They pop in, have a scoot around, and then move on. And maybe that's it. I was just here at the right time. Seems to be a line running through between waves. I can see, looks like a bit of a gully here, so I'm going to let it drop in there. Whoa. Try that one again. Come left a bit. Right, now drop. Right guys, that's it I think. Thanks for watching, and just be thankful that I didn't show you all the blanks I've had in the last few days. 5 I think. I'm on holiday, so I've been out twice a day. I've moved down the coast. I'm only here for 2 days, and tomorrow the weather looks absolutely horrendous. But if I can get out, I will. We'll see. But keep chucking guys. You won't catch nothing sat in front of your computer. But keep watching.